Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. After 1 week, I am making video. Why? Because I am I have busy schedule, so that sorry for the delay. And in this video, I am going to explain 15th question of exercise 4.3. See here. In the figures given below, AB is parallel to CD. EF is the transversal intersecting AB and CD at G and H respectively. Find the values of X and Y. Give reasons also. Okay, here three figures are given, that one by one I'll explain. See the figure 1. AB and CD are parallel lines and EF is the transversal. When it will we will get 8 angles total. Okay, here 4 angles, here 4 angles we will get. Anyway, two angles they are given, 2x degrees, this is y degree and this is 3x degree given. So here first figure I am going to explain. See, 3x is equals to y. Here 3x is equals to y. Why we are saying 3x is equal to y? Here alternate interior angles. Okay, alternating interior angles. This is 3x, this is y degree. Okay, these two are lies inside the parallel lines, so we can call these two are interior angles, right? Alternating interior. Why we are calling alternating? Why? Because these two angles lie either side of the transversal. For this transversal line, this is one side, this angle is other side, so we can call either side of the transversal. Okay, so here 2x plus y is equal to 180. Okay, 2x plus y is equals to 180. Why? Because those are linear pair angles. 2x degree, y degree, these are two linear pair angles, so sum should be 180 degrees. Those are adjacent and also sum should be 180, so we can call linear pair angles, right? So here 2x plus y is equal to 180. Here reason also I wrote here. Now 2x, here y value we need to substitute. Y is equal to 3x, no? So 2x as it is you have to write, plus y is 3x is equal to 180. Now 2x plus 3x, 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 5. If you do the division, you will get 36 degrees. So x is equal to 36 degrees. And y is equals to, if you know the x value, then y also we can get. So y is equal to 3 into x, 36 degrees. So 3 into 36, 198 degrees. Okay, similar way for figure 2. See here figure 2, this is AB and CD are parallel, EF is the transversal. These are two angles. Okay, two angles given, we need to find out x value from this. Okay, now these two angles are corresponding angles. Always corresponding angles are equal, so we should equate these two angles. 2x plus 15 degrees is equal to 3x minus 20 degrees. Okay, now this one. Now 2x minus 3x, transpose of plus 3x minus 3x. Okay, now which is equals to minus 20 degrees as it is. This transpose of plus 15 minus 15 degrees. Now x is equals to, see here minus x we will get. Why? Because 3 is having negative symbol, so if you subtract 2 from 3 you will get 1, but here 3 is having negative symbol means negative only will come. So here two numbers having same symbol means we should add that symbol, we should keep. Okay, therefore minus minus will cancel. In middle equal symbol if it is there, so the left side and right side if any minus symbol same symbol will be, we can do the cancellation. X is equals to 35 degrees. Okay, now I am going to explain third figure. See here third figure is AB and CD parallel, EF is the transversal. These two angles are given. These are also what type of angles here? Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. See, these two angles are inside of the parallel line, so we can call interior angles, and these two are lies one side of the transversal. For this transversal, this is one side only, so we can call interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So sum should be 180 degrees. So 4x minus 23 plus 3x is equal to 180 degrees we can write. So here that only I wrote, two angle sum should be 180 degrees. Now reason also, and see 4x plus 3x 7x minus 23 is equal to 180. 7x is equals to 180 plus 23 203 you will get. X is equal to 203 by 7. If you do the division, see I did here 2 4s are 7 2s are 14, 6 is the remainder, carry down 3, 7 9s are 63, remainder is 0. So x is equals to 29. Okay, this is about 3 figures, very simple. Okay, thank you.